For part 2 of the semester group project, we came up with 4 different solutions to our problem. The first solution is, to prevent embarrassment of the child, the teacher can offer 2 options to the whole class. These 2 options include completing the project in the classroom after school, or completing the project at home. If the students choose to complete the project after school, they will be able to use materials provided by the school and/or the teacher. That way the student wouldn't have to bring it up with her teacher and admit that they don't have the necessary resources. Option 2. To avoid the problem altogether of having a student who may not be able to afford the supplies, the teacher could talk to the principal beforehand to see if they could use school means to get the needed supplies for the entire class. They would then have class time to complete the project. This option avoids bias because every student has the same supplies and parents will not be able to help. It will show what the individual student knows. Using this rationale could help the principal see the need of having the supplies needed for the entire class. Solution 3. The students could be given the option of doing the project with another peer in the class. The student would be able to do the project at the peer's home and use the supplies that the peer was planning on using. If there is still supplies needed, then the students could use some of what the teacher has provided. The 2 students would be able to complete the project together, in turn not making either student feel that they are unable to complete the project. Solution 4. Instead of doing individual or group projects, the teacher can do a whole class project where each child can see how the volcano works. Most students can also help with the project. This way no child has to buy materials and the teacher and/or school only needs to buy one set of materials for the entire class. The option that we felt was best to solve this problem was option number 2. We felt this was the best solution because it provided a way for all of the students to participate and have a hands-on experience with while they learned about volcanoes. This would only work if the school was able to supply the necessary items for the entire class to make the project.